Hi guys, Joe here with History and Reviews. Hope you guys like this professional setup. We got a black curtain behind me, a new mic. I don't want to talk too loud because I don't want to blow it out, but yet again, it's a mic, so I can talk as loud as I so choose, as long as I don't yell. What I'm going to review today, I'm not really a fan of doing the surprise thing, but I think it builds up energy and it's kind of cool. I think showing it to the person, or showing it to the person who's going to film, and then, you know, showing it like he already knows is kind of like so surprises are always cool. So I went to Walmart today and I thought the price was really low because I read the tag, but really it was kind of pricey, and when I scanned it, it showed 2 times the price. So I'll see you at the unboxing. So here's the product. I'm getting ready to pull it out, but it is very versatile and you can use it in anything. Recordings, playing things, talking to people, calls. It's very, very, very versatile, and I didn't even think to get it today. I didn't even really want it until I saw it, and then it was so tempting because someone has one, and I'm like, well, you know, I want to get this, and then I found out that the one I previously bought, I'm like, oh, it doesn't, you know, have everything. But now, I don't know what I got myself into, but I did get myself into something crazy, and oh, by the way, I will be using this in Call of Duty 4 Blackout, the Call of Duty 4 Blackout Battle Royale, kind of like Fortnite. Speaking of Blackout, we have the Yeti Blackout. $120 at Walmart, as you see in glorious bokeh with the Canon T5i. I can drop my bag now because there's no need to, you know. So we have the ultimate professional USB microphone with tri-capsule array, which is the 3 condensers. I think I read that in a different language. Tri-capsule array. So here we have the Blackout Yeti. This is it's a microphone, so you can use this in gameplay. You can use this while you're recording videos, games, conference calls. So there's the funny little Yetis. They're adorable. But I'll really get into the specs of it. So this has 4 settings: stereo, cardio, omnidirectional, and bidirectional. So 4 with this. And I wanted to do a podcast tonight with Ross. I was going to ask him after we're done filming, but he already obviously heard what I just said. So this is the Blackout edition of the Yeti, and the reason I bought it is because I bought a Blue Yeti Snowball, and I found out sadly that it doesn't have the stereo and the cardioid and the omnidirectional. It just has one option, which I think is stereo. So I bought this today for $120. I know, ridiculous, but it was kind of an impulse buy. I don't know why it's so expensive, but let's see what it has. We'll go into the specs. I don't want to show you guys the box because it's kind of blurry, or it might be blurry. It has mute button function, obviously, master volume, headphone output, USB mini jack, threaded mic, stand mount, custom bass, which is what it stands on, mic gain control, 4 polar pattern selector, stereo, cardioid, omni, or bidirectional, which is new, and USB cable included. Let's get into the unboxing because this thing is heavy as heck. It's the Blackout edition. It's all black, which conveniently is how my setup is. Mac Mini, yeah, maybe silver, but I have a black PS4, black controller, kind of a black screen and silver screen mix, which just has silver aesthetics on it, which is really cool for my setup, and I just went pro with this purchase. I just ripped the box too. I've always loved the look of Yetis, not only the fictional animal, but the microphone, and so I have the microphone, and I'm shaking with excitement. I want to get in this. I want to get into this microphone. So let's open it up. This is the box it comes in. We have the USB, and it's basically like a plug and play. You know, it doesn't really require any huge setup. There's the USB. That's basic. Anyone knows what a USB is if you know technology. Oh yes. Oh wow. So this is the one Ross has. Silver, which is cool. And there's the funny little Yetis. This thing is, I don't want to break it. There we go. One styrofoam sling it around my shoulder like a machete. And here is the money. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't want to break anything. Get out of the box. Get out of the styrofoam. Well, it seems to be hooked on something. I don't want to break it. Actually, no, it's not. It's just really in there. They molded it to the styrofoam. Oh. Holy moly. I just want you guys to take a look at the Blackout Blue Yeti. This thing is beautiful. $120. I know that's a lot for a microphone, but you guys have no idea what you're getting yourself into when you get these type of microphones. They are just, they're like the pro budget type microphone, which is what it says on the box. I didn't even remember what it said, so I didn't copy that from the box, but I'm telling you my true thoughts. And here are this stuff's really easy. You got the mute button, and you got the volume, that's the headphone volume or just the volume, and then you have the gain right there, the gain switch, and then you have the selections for the cardioid, the bidirectional, all those, the 4 that it has. And let me tell you, while I do love Yeti products, the Blue Snowball does not compare to this, because this is just a step above, even though it is great. So we have to do a mic test and all that, so guess I'll see you there. Hey guys, this is the bi-directional setting on the Blackout Blue Yeti. As you can probably hear, it sounds really good with headphones, with or without. It's a great mic with great quality.
Yeah, bi-directional is front to back. It captures sounds in front of the microphone and directly behind it, and the sides, it muffles out.
Now it's in front. Now it's in the back. Those snaps right there are from the side. Now the really cool feature of this mic is the omnidirectional. It is a full 360 degrees around the mic. Anywhere I go, going side to side, you can hear. Now I'm moving to this side. It is going to sound the exact same as long as I'm speaking into the mic.
Yeah, and I'm behind the mic again because I'm not an in front of the mic kind of guy. And like Job said, we're going to move. Now, Job, could you do a look that way and talk?
I am talking. I am looking to the right, and I'm talking. I'm not talking directly at the mic. But now as I turn slowly and start talking steadily and fast towards the mic, I am picking up, it's picking up better sound quality. So this is omnidirectional. Now the fun part, snapping around. Equally powerful snaps around the mic, 360 degrees. Now, here is the ASMR version, which is not really what it's called. This is the stereo mode, and I'm really close to the mic, and it's kind of how the sound is projected out of the microphone. It's kind of like a cone, so it kind of looks like a triangle that points outwards and gradually gets bigger. So now I'm moving to the left side of the mic, and I'm speaking in the left, and now I'm slowly moving over back to the center, and now I'm moving back over to the right when I was over to the left, and now I'm back in the middle. And how about a little bit of tapping? And that was the stereo mode on the Blue Yeti Blackout. Now we're doing the cardioid test on this Blue Yeti, and as you can kind of tell, it's just a shotgun mode. The direction of the output for the microphone really doesn't go anywhere, but front-facing, and in case you're wondering, the front-facing cardioid shotgun mode is where the blue symbol is on the microphone. It says blue on the microphone, so that's how you know it's front-facing. And if I talk any other way, or talk in any other direction as I'm moving around the mic, talking around it, you can kind of tell it might be muffled. And now I'm back in the original setting.